Above it, this is the quadrangular space, whose upper boundary is formed by teres minor. This is teres minor. Medial peres major. Medially, this is the long head of triceps. And laterally, this region is the surgical neck of humerus. So this space is the quadrangular space through which we can see the axillary nerve. This is the axillary nerve and its branches, supplying the deltoid muscle. Along with the axillary nerve, we can see the posterior circumflex humeral artery. So these are the three important intermuscular spaces of the back. This is the upper triangular space, this is the lower triangular space, and this is the quadrangular space. There is one more triangle in relation with these muscles. This is known as the triangle of osculation. The triangle of osculation is bounded medially by the lateral border of trapezius. This is the lateral border of trapezius. Laterally by the medial border of scapula, and below by the upper border of latissimus dorsi. So this triangle is the triangle of auscultation, whose floor is formed by 6th, 7th ribs, the 6th intercostal space, and this rhomboidus major muscle. This space is less covered with muscles, and we can put a stethoscope and hear the auscultatory sounds very well. So this is the triangle of auscultation. Thank you.